Alright guys, this is Horizon Zero Dawn
Dawn has passed.
in HDR glory, so
This will be your last day in the
I want to
embrace
get
of
as close as
Outcast.
possible to show you
Use
guys
the
how the
time
game
to
looks
set your mind on the
on
challenges
daylight.
before you.
with HDR on.
When it is time for you to go to Mother's Heart, I'll be waiting for you along the
The
way.
game is very impressive.
I understand the final lesson, Rost.
Do you?
But if I'm going to stand for something, it'll have to be something I believe in.
Then I hope you find it, Aloy. I hope you do.
I'll go back to the cabin with you.
I'm not heading there just yet. I have other plans.
Oh, such as?
I'll be waiting for you when it is time.
I'll see you at Mother's Heart then.
You will.
This is how the game looks, guys. Impressive, by the way. On this TV, even better. Hope you guys enjoy.